Hey guys, what's up? It's me Hafiz. Welcome to Passionate Cooking with Chef Hafiz. Today we'll be making a very interesting and popular Kashmiri dish which is in mutton rogan josh. Rogan means which is basically an oil. So the mutton has to get cooked with spices and more of oil to get tenderize the mutton. But the people are very conscious about their health. They don't want too much of oil or too much of fat content in their food at modern trends. So we'll be making it a mutton rogan josh with a small twist without having a oil in it. So I'm gonna make it mutton rogan josh with zero oil. Let's have a look on ingredients. Have mutton curry at 750 grams, 3 numbers of sliced onion, and ginger garlic paste which is 100 gram, which is 50 grams of ginger and 50% of garlic, and ensure have Kashmiri chili powder 2 tablespoons and quarter teaspoon of jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, and have whole garam masalas like bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves and black cardamom, and turmeric powder pinch, and ghee just 2 tablespoons to add on flavor, and tomato puree 300 ml, curd 200 ml. I'm going to make a mutton rogan josh with zero oil, without any fat. Just I'm going to get a little bit of ghee just to get in flavor. So what you have to do is we need to marinate the mutton at least half an hour to 45 minutes with onion, ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri red chilies and tomato puree and curd. Just marinate and keep the mutton for half an hour to 45 minutes. Then I'm going to use the mutton just to cook in a pot which naturally gives more flavor and more taste. Mix all these ingredients together, mix it very nicely and marinate and keep it for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. The curd helps to tenderize the mutton, it breaks the fiber and it tenderizes the mutton and it gives much more flavor. The masalas that get inside during the marination which gives a very good flavor to one dish. In this process, nowhere we have used an oil, not even a single drop of oil is being used to making this dish. So it's absolutely fat-free and cholesterol-free dish. The people who is very conscious about the health, they can prefer cooking in this method. Definitely this curry gives them good flavor and authenticity, except an oil. This Kashmiri chili powder gives very good rich color to one gravy which is nice and red. If you are looking out for more spicy, you can add on chili powder. So this is what it's after marination it looks. After 45 minutes of marination, I'm adding around 1 liter of water and mixing it up properly and keep it on the stove. Here we're gonna follow up a slow cooking method which enrich the taste and the juiciness to one meat and the tenderness. Just close the pot, keep it in a simmer. It takes at least half an hour to 45 minutes to get the mutton softer. Just check the meat is cooked or not. If you feel still the meat has not been cooked, add another liter of water or half a liter of water, depend on the cooking consistency. Now you're gonna have warm water to be added on, not a cold water, and cook it further. If you're cooking in the cooker, just mix all these ingredients, just have it on the cooker, just apply 4 to 5 whistles, your lamb will be perfectly cooked. Then finish it with the coriander leaves. Your mutton Rogan Josh is ready to serve. It looks so brilliant. I started feeling I'm having it from my mom's hand. मज़ा आ गया, माँ का खाने का स्वाद आ गया इस खाने पे. This mutton Rogan Josh can be served with your tandoori naan or tandoori roti or any kind of pulao or tawa parathas as well. Hope you have learned a new recipe today in our kitchen. So एक सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है इस चीज़ के लिए. So please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for more interesting recipes and thank you so much.